I wanted to do a quick walk around of the BTM spray system with the cart and show you how everything is kind of configured and attached. So from right here, you're going to see that there's almost like a bull bar right on the front. This comes apart very easily, and if I had a third hand, I'd be showing you exactly how that releases so that you can get to the compartment here, which has simple latches on it. Okay, moving around, the outputs to the pumps are right here, red and blue, and this is actually what is going to connect, if you have this unit, back to your hose reel, okay? Now there's two ways that we can configure this. Either with quick connects like you see here and 24-inch hoses, or we can hard plumb this with hose barbs directly into the line on both sides if you're always going to keep it on the cart. If you're not, if occasionally you're gonna remove the BTM sprayer from the cart, then you might want this to have quick connects on both sides. So the hose reel and over at the pump, okay? Now, moving along, there's the standard things. Here is the hose, and of course, this gets turned parallel to the pump when in use, right? So that's there. Electrical is here. Everything for your pressures off your tanks is located here. And then as we move around to the back, at the end of the day, there's your quick release for pressure in your tanks. Moving to the back, I just want to share this with you. We have reconfigured this. Originally, we had the hose reel up on the top of the handle, but the problem was that it gave us a high center of gravity, therefore it wasn't balanced real well. Moving this down the handle lower gives us a complete, very steady piece of equipment. It's not going to tilt from side to side or anything like that. And it does one other thing. This is the business side, right, that you can pull straight out from once we connect our hose to the reel over here. And then the other side is where, of course, your chemistry would be, right? Here are your siphon tubes, and these would go into your OxyPrep and your OxyPar, or if you're using it for different products, such as Botanical and Fortify, for example, you would plug those in over here. What that does is it keeps, let's just call it the chemical side on one side of your spray rig, and then the operations or the business end on the other, so it will set up nicely outside of any space that you might be working in. So I think that's all for now. I just wanted to update everybody as to what the rig is looking like and why we've done what we've done.